Hello, my name is Luan de Lima. We will be using two different tools, body scanning, where I would like to propose you guys to discover your possibilities of movement with your own body, and body imprint is the other tool where I would love to discover with the group different relations and how to get connected, appreciating our differences.
My name is Uwe Brauns and I am giving an improvisation workshop, and in this workshop I have two parts. One part is focusing on the exploration of the body, where we try to find new ways with our body, and in the second part I'm more interested in to bring this knowledge from the first part into a exchange of interactions, communication, where we can be playful and where the focus is connecting.
Hi, my name is Alberto. Basically what we're going to explore in this workshop is interaction. So how our body can enter in communication with other bodies. We're going to go through partnering exercises, group exercises as well, and go into instant composition. Instant composition is just a tool to create like a little piece together through improvisation tasks, and we are gonna of course interact with each other, play with each other, and last but not least have fun with each other.